Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple 3D model in Autodesk Fusion 360 and we will create a 2D file also for this model. I hope you like it. So let's start to create this simple model. This is good example for the beginners, those who want to learn Fusion 360. Now here we are going to create this simple 3D model in Fusion 360, Autodesk Fusion 360. So here we will start with base 96 millimeter long and 64 millimeter wide, and the thickness we will make 16 millimeter. So this is the front view. So let's start to create this one. Now this is the interface of Fusion 360. So now here first what we will do, we will rename this. We will create a component, even though no need to create, even directly you can choose, but if you create a component it will helps you. Empty component, any name like model 3 or 2 something, parent, active. Okay, this simple. Now see here model is created. Now everything going inside to do this. So the second thing we will create is sketch. Now here we need to select any plane, so we will select this top plane. Okay, now drop down this create menu. Here you will see all the tools are available. We will choose 2-point rectangle, and this is center point. Drag it and see the vertical length is 64 millimeter. Press tab key and 96 millimeter, enter. Now see, this is full black, means our drawing is fully defined. So click finish sketch, right click and either choose pull, press pull, or select extrude, or even you can directly choose from here also. Either you can simply press the drag this arrow or simply type here 16 millimeter. Now here in profile we already selected. This is our starting point. Even we can change with the help of this, so we will see these two things later. Direction we kept one side, and this is the distance only we are going to use, and the distance is 16 millimeter thick. And this is the first body. There is no previous sketch, so it will be created as a new body. Oh, that's fine. Now next we will make this back wall. This is 48 millimeter heighted, thickness same 16 millimeter, and here one radius, this is 32 millimeter. So what we will do, we will select this face, click create sketch, and again here we will choose 2-point rectangle, and we will start with any one point like this. Here press 64 millimeter, tab key, 48 millimeter, enter. Now you will see here, this is your dimension. Simply select home and you will get a isometric view. Exit, right click, or you can directly choose from here extrude. Drag the arrow here. Now this is going opposite direction, so we have to choose minus 16 millimeter. See, we don't want backside, and everything rests same. Profile, one side, distance we selected, and here now we already have one geometry, so it will ask you for joint, so we will keep joint. That's fine. Now here we want to make chamfer. Either right click and choose here fillet, or we have also here one more option, fillet. Now see, we already selected, this is 32 millimeter. Now see here, we selected 32 millimeter. This is constant radius. This is the edge what we selected here. Tangent chain. This I'll show you sometime what is the use of tangent chain. That's it. Now the next thing, we will create this box 40 by 28 millimeter, this box, and if you minus 64 minus 22, that is 42 millimeter. We need to extrude 42 millimeter. Then there is one rib, and this rib is 12 millimeter thick. So let's do this two things. 24 millimeter the inside radius, select this face, sketch, and again I'll choose corner rectangle, and I'll start from this point. Height is 28 millimeter, 28, tab, 40 millimeter, enter. Now again I'll choose circle, and you just move your cursor and you will find a middle point. See, center point. Just drag 24 millimeter, enter. Now we want to trim, so simply select here trim, drop down, or here you choose trim, or click T, press T on keyboard, click and delete. Now see, dimension, I'll put any one dimension. Okay, enter. Now see, this geometry is fully defined. Exit, and simply let me choose extrude. First select profile, so I select this profile. Now it is going reverse direction, so simply press pull here, and this is minus 40 degree, 40 millimeter. Sorry, not 40, this is 42 millimeter, because 22 millimeter balance from here, and it will be we want to join this thing, distance and everything same. Okay, now let's add some, select this face, sketch, and I'll choose line, and I'll connect from this point to this point. Okay, exit. Now simply drop down the create menu and choose here rib. Now first we have to select curve, so I'll choose this line. Now it is going to move in both sides, so either we have to choose one in one direction. Now that's it. Once we change in one direction, now just drag inside, or simply press here -12 and you will get, this is the flip direction, but we don't want, so okay, fine. Now the last thing, we will make this cutout, so 20 millimeter long and 16 the diameter, and 16 millimeter from here, and throughout cut. Now select this face, create a sketch, and what we will choose here slot, center to center slot, connect up to this line, select dimension. First I'll choose this 20 millimeter, enter, and this radius is 8 millimeter, and distance from this end is 16 millimeter. Now see, drawing is fully defined. Finish sketch, extrude, and this time let me choose this profile. This both profile we will select. Distance, simply here we can change all. If we select all, it's going to cut all. See, it is going to cut. No need to fix any dimension or anything. That's it. So this is the simple how we created a 3D model in Fusion 360. Now right click, appearance. Now here select bodies or component, not face, because we want to apply material in all body. So make sure it is selected body, component. If you drop down the menu, plastic, here glossy plastic, just drag and drop. Now see, even though you can change the color or everything, but we don't want to change anything, so let's keep as it is, close. Now see, now simply save this one, exercise 3. Location, even though you can define, but we will save in our default section. Now once you click save, now drop down this menu, drawing from design. Now it will ask you from assembly. This is not assembly, this is single parts, create new from scratch, standard ISO millimeter, and this is the sheet size A3. Okay, now once you click A3 sheet size, you will get this sheet size. Okay, now once a window will pop up. Now see, this is the too small, even though you can change it from here. See, all the things you can change it, that's not the big issue. Click, and from here you can change the one by one, and here select full length so that you will not get age or something like. Okay, everything we selected. Now I'll choose visible hidden line. Okay, now the second projected view, click projected view, click this one and drag downward, and just click here. Now escape. Now you can adjust according to your, just click on the body and you will see a square. Just click on the square, drag and drop. Now see, this is square, I'll just drag and drop. That's it. Now you can double click, and from here you can change shaded to shaded with line. Okay, now other all things are closed. Now if you like to assign dimension, you can manually assign dimension from here. Now simply select and define all the dimensions. Now let's try all the dimensions. We will finish as soon as possible. Okay, now this all the dimensions what we like to keep. See, this is the simple way. Even though we don't have any critical dimension to mention here, but this is the simple thing. Text, let's say here write all dimensions in millimeter. Just select the full bold, and even though you can change 5 millimeter, and text also you can change font on everything, close. Now see, so this is a simple tutorial how to create a 3D model in Autodesk Fusion 360. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks, Autodesk and Autodesk Inventor. Thanks for watching.